can I prevent phone thermal throttling? Imagine your phone as a tiny engine that can overheat when pushed too hard. When it gets too hot, the processor slows down to protect itself. That slowdown is called thermal throttling. It's like your phone hitting the brakes to avoid damage. But nobody wants their device to lag during a game or video call. So, how do you keep your phone running smoothly without hitting that thermal wall? First, avoid exposing your phone to direct sunlight or hot environments. If you're outside on a sunny day, keep your phone in your pocket or shade. External heat makes internal temperatures rise faster. Second, limit your phone's heavy use sessions. Playing games or editing videos for long stretches heats up the processor. Take breaks every 20 or 30 minutes to let it cool down naturally. Using external cooling accessories can also help. There are small clip-on fans or cooling pads made specifically for phones. These can lower the surface temperature during intense activities. Keeping your software updated is another simple step. Manufacturers often releases updates that improve how your phone manages heat. These updates can include better thermal management algorithms. Closing apps running in the background reduces the workload on your processor. Many apps running simultaneously generate extra heat. So, regularly close apps you're not using. Avoid charging your phone while playing heavy games or using demanding apps. Charging adds heat, and combining that with intensive use can push your device to its thermal limits. Most phones have built-in thermal management modes. Turning on battery saver or thermal control options can automatically reduce processor speed to keep temperatures in check. Also, keep your phone clean. Dust and debris can trap heat inside, especially around vents or ports. Wipe your device with a soft cloth regularly. From a hardware view, some phones have internal heat spreaders or vapor chambers that help dissipate heat faster. Manufacturers also use heat pipes or graphene layers to transfer heat away from critical parts. These internal features work silently to prevent overheating. While you cannot eliminate thermal throttling completely, these tips help your phone stay cooler longer. Managing heat effectively means your device performs better and lasts longer. Remember, keeping your phone out of hot environments, limiting intensive use, and maintaining it well are your best bets to prevent overheating and keep performance steady.